the Senate of the approval of the motion by the County Assembly and further forwarded to the Speaker of the Senate documents in evidence of the proceedings of the Assembly, including the list of the 23 members of the County Assembly that voted in favor of the removal from office by impeachment of Governor of Nyamira County. Further noting that one of the preliminary objections raised by Honorable Aaron Cheruiyot, the Governor of Nyaribo County, was a requisite what did I say? Sorry, Nyamira County. Nyamira County was a requisite threshold for passage of a motion for the removal of governor from office by impeachment, being 2/3 of the members of the County Assembly, as provided for in Section 33 of the County Governments Act and Standing Order 62 of the Standing Orders of the County Assembly of Nyamira, is 24 members of the County Assembly and was not met. Now, therefore, the Senate resolves to uphold the preliminary objection that the threshold required for the removal of a governor from office by impeachment contemplated in Section 33 of the County Governments Act and Standing Order number 62 of the County Assembly of Nyamira was not met, and forthwith terminates the hearing of the proposed removal from office by impeachment of Honorable Amos Nyaribo.